Welcome back to Magician Word. Today we're at Table Rock Lake. We're going to explore Table Rock from Cape Fair all the way to State Park Marina in Branson. And along the way, I'm going to compare two different hammocks. One that I purchased for $70 from Bass Pro Shop, and the other one, a $5 hammock that I got from Five Below. This should be fun. Welcome back to Magician Word. Right now, I'm in Cape Fair at Cape Fair Recreational Area, really close to the Cape Fair Marina. You can look it up that way, or just Cape Fair Camping. It's a beautiful campground, great for big RVs like that, or what I'm going to be sleeping in, not quite so luxurious, that hammock. Stay with us. After purchasing this hammock for only $5 at a popular chain store called Five Below, I had a crazy thought. Could I possibly camp in that hammock? All right, so here is my $5 hammock, just inches from the water. Hey friends, today I am in Cape Fair on Table Rock Lake. Cape Fair is actually the James River arm of Table Rock Lake. That's where I'm going to sleep tonight. Just a boat and a hammock. Okay, so I'm all cozy in my little hammock here. I just got a blanket and I got a little bitty blanket back here for my pillow. And I'm going to try to go for a second night on this $5 hammock. And I do have an $8 tarp above me. All right, made it through the night. One thing about sleeping out in the elements is it's hard to sleep past the sun. It's 5:27 in the morning. Too bad I'm not an avid fisherman, because the fish are really biting. After sleeping for 2 nights on this $5 hammock, I can't, with clear conscience, recommend it. But if you're ever in a pinch, it is an easy alternative. I didn't get great sleep because I always felt I was consciously trying to balance in that narrow hammock. When I would turn, I would have to adjust the hammock underneath me, which would interrupt my sleep. However, I made it 2 nights and didn't feel like I was overly tired the next day. All right, morning. You can see my keys hang directly over the water. Okay, so now I'm headed 35 minutes away to the other side of the lake. I'm gonna go to Table Rock State Park and spend the night again. Okay friends, we are here at the Branson landing. We're gonna go into that Bass Pro Shop right there. Here are the jumbo noodles you need to transport your canoe. If you haven't seen how I transport my canoe on Pool Noodles, check that out. I think I'm going to grab one more while I'm here. It's on my bucket list, getting me one of those coolers. I did see some tents over here. Oh, well, I am in the market for a new camping chair. Let's see. Alright, here's the camping hammocks. Quite a variety, anywhere from about 30 to 179. Alright, here we are at Table Rock State Park. Just a short 35-minute drive from Cape Fair. And it's right outside of Branson. We're going to go get us a spot here. Okay, friends, after 2 days sleeping on this $5 hammock, I have moved uptown. Just purchased this for $70. So I'm going to tell you if it's worth the extra $65. Okay, I got it hung up. This thing came with no straps or anything to attach it to the tree, so you need your own cord. I've just got clothesline. Hope that holds me. I'm sure the clothesline is not rated for 500 pounds like the hammock is. It's just got these carabiners on the end, and there's no tarp or anything like that. So I'll let you know how it goes. So here we are at Table Rock Lake, right in Branson at the state park. Campsite number 282, Campground B. Access, if you really want the best campground for canoe access, that's going to be number 278, Campground B. Perfect access for a canoe into this beautiful still water. And the reason it's so still is because it's behind a barrier, a wake barrier over on the other side of the marina to protect the boats. All right, I am inside this thing, this cocoon, and I'm completely enclosed in it. Even though it doesn't have a zipper, you can take the flap over, and since it's got a pocket here and all my stuff is in it, my charger and everything is in this pocket. Oh, that's better, is in this pocket. So I just flip it over to the other side and it completely encloses me, as you can tell. There's my ceiling. It's like being in a small tent. I don't feel any of the slack that I did with the other one. So I'll catch you up tomorrow. You know, I didn't even think I should have done this during the daytime, but to come in at night for the first time and just lay in here, because all I had done is just sit in it sideways. I'd not even laid down in it. So it's fantastic compared to the other one. I can already tell I'm going to get a good night's sleep, but I'll let you know in the morning. $5:48. I made it about 3 minutes longer than I did in the other tent. But overall, I slept so much better. And after I went back to sleep, I woke up at 7:30, pretty much just like I did the other night. So not a lot of difference in sleep time, just because the sun does wake you up if you are going to sleep outside in one of these hammocks. Okay, so let's get into it. Which one prevailed, the Grand Trunk or the $5 special from Five Below Discount Store? Well, the winner, without a doubt, is Trunk Tech. Grand Trunk from Bass Pro Shops. If you're going to sleep overnight, you've got to be comfortable. You've got to be able to get some good sleep. So, without a doubt, Trunk Tech prevails. I just had to show this in the bathroom here at Table Rock State Park Marina. Have you ever seen automatic soap dispenser? Pretty fancy for a state park. Both Table Rock State Park and Cape Fair have beautiful, well-maintained camping and public access areas with close proximity to the warm water of Table Rock Lake. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure and like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.